Walk through any weekend market or neighborhood cafe, and chances are you will spot that familiar white card reader sitting on the counter. Square has become almost synonymous with small business payments, but with so many point-of-sale systems available today, it is fair to ask whether Square is still the best choice or simply the most recognizable. Square is not just a payment processor, it is a full business ecosystem designed to support everything from accepting payments to running daily operations. At its core, Square combines point-of-sale software, payment processing, inventory tracking, online store creation, invoicing, and even payroll services into one platform. This all-in-one approach is especially appealing for small and medium businesses that want fewer tools to manage and fewer systems to connect. One of Square's biggest strengths is its hardware lineup, which is built to cover almost every type of business. The Square Reader for contactless and chip, priced at $59, is a compact and portable option that handles tap and chip payments anywhere. For businesses using an iPad, Square Stand at $149 turns the tablet into a clean, swiveling POS setup. The Square Terminal, priced at $299, combines a touchscreen, card reader, and receipt printer into a single device. For more permanent retail setups, Square Register at $799 offers a sleek dual-screen system that looks professional and modern. There's also the Square Handheld for mobile staff and the Square Kiosk option for self-service ordering, expanding Square's reach even further. Beyond hardware, Square's software is designed for simplicity. The POS system requires virtually no technical background, making setup fast and intuitive. Offline mode is a major advantage, allowing you to continue taking payments even when the internet drops, with automatic syncing once you're back online. You also get a free online store builder, basic inventory management, and integrations with hundreds of third-party apps, which helps Square adapt to many different workflows. Pricing is another area where Square stands out. The free plan costs nothing per month and includes core POS features, invoicing, bookings, and an online site. In-person transactions are charged at a flat rate, while online transactions have slightly higher fees. For growing businesses, Square Plus at $49 per month per location adds staff management, loyalty programs, and slightly lower processing rates. Square Premium at $149 per month per location is designed for larger operations and includes advanced reporting, priority support, and the lowest transaction fees. Looking at the pros and cons brings balance to the picture. Square excels in ease of use, transparent pricing, and fast setup. The free plan is ideal for pop-up shops, food trucks, and seasonal businesses, while the hardware is durable and thoughtfully designed for real-world environments. However, transaction fees can become expensive for high-volume businesses. Customer support is limited on lower-tier plans, and advanced inventory and reporting features may feel lacking for complex operations. Some hardware limitations also exist, such as the lack of a built-in receipt printer on certain devices. In the end, Square is best suited for small to medium businesses that value simplicity, flexibility, and an all-in-one ecosystem. Cafes, retail stores, salons, food trucks, and mobile service providers will find it especially appealing. While it may not scale perfectly for high-volume or highly complex businesses, Square has undeniably changed how small businesses access professional point-of-sale systems, and for many, that alone makes it worth serious consideration.